What's up, guys? So I guess it's me putting out my first video. I figured there couldn't be a better time than going to Steamboat. We're going skiing, so I figured that was a good time to start when we got lots of stuff going on. So I'm excited to hopefully throw something together. Probably a little rough. First time really doing any editing or anything, so don't expect much because it's probably going to be a rough video. See you guys later. Up making it to here in Steamboat. See that there? It's a pretty good drive. We ended up getting hit with some snow on the way there, but we don't ski till tomorrow, and it looks like we might get some more snow, so hopefully tomorrow ends up being a good day.
Invincible.
What's up, guys? It's your boy here. Just got done for the first day here in Steamboat. It's honestly a really solid day, I thought, though not a lot of the runs are open, which was disappointing just because they've had, I guess I don't know how much snow, but they haven't had a whole lot of snow, but still really good. And it was a good day. And I mean, I don't do this a whole lot, about every 2 or 3 years. I think it's been about 3 years since I've done it, so just good to get back up here and do it again. And hopefully I'll have more to show for it tomorrow. So we got 2 days left, so hopefully the next couple days are good as well. So I'll see you guys then.